Hey advertisers, today we're going to be unboxing some amazing products and putting them head to head to seeing which one is better at making 6 to 7 figures worth of sales online. First up, we've got the box of Facebook advertising. We're selling these products right here, so I've got my fork and my knife ready. Let's begin to dig in. Well, this box is really hard to open. I can tell right away that this one is going to be really hard to crack. Finally, got somewhere. On first impression, Facebook ads seem to be good and they seem to work properly, as you can see right here. But let's see how this is actually used. Right here in the box, we have a handy dandy Facebook advertising manual. So let's just jump right in and check this out. Okay, on first glance, we're paying for impressions. I mean, I guess it's okay. Is that saying affinity-based advertising? It sounds cool at first, but most of the traffic is completely cold. It's just bored people scrolling through their phones. Okay, so Facebook ads seem alright. It was hard for me to even get my hands on this box because it's always out of stock. There are a lot of competitors on the platform. But I mean, overall, it's still a good place to... I just got banned? Okay, so now let's cut to the red box and see how YouTube ads work in practice. Would you look at that? Open just like that. Got a $100 coupon from Google to run my first YouTube ads completely for free. This is incredible. Also, I have 30 seconds to advertise to my audience entirely for free. Let's pull out the timer. That is 30 seconds of free content to increase brand awareness and brand recall at no cost to you. But that's not all. I can see that YouTube has laser targeting on their campaigns compared to Facebook. I'll spare you today. The audience on YouTube is also warmer, having an active intent on consuming your content. They're not bored people, they're people looking for solutions to their problems actively. And that's my alarm. All of that content would have been entirely free advertising when running YouTube advertisements. But that alarm going off also means it's time to talk about something else. It's time to start properly taking advantage of all these benefits on YouTube advertising. What's in the box? Our free training. This is exactly what will be in your wallet after implementing the advertising strategies we teach completely for free on our website. If you want to know how to only pay for qualified prospects, how to run high-quality video ads on a low budget, and how to implement the simple strategies that have generated our team hundreds of thousands of dollars literally online, then look no further. Our free training has you covered. Click right here to go to our website, and I promise you, you will never look back. No one else is talking about this or giving out this kind of information for free, so I suggest you get in on this before we lock this box up for good. So tap here if you're on mobile, or click here if you're on desktop, and I'll see you on the other side.